Okay, we are back. These are the big dogs. These are the big homes. Here at this series we're doing in Ontario. This is Solstice at Compass Pointe. Again, City of Ontario. These are 2,300 square foot homes going up to 2,800. There are 3 different communities in this area. So we've toured some that were condos. Those are starting at about $530. We toured some that were single family homes on smaller lots, about 2,700, 2,900. Those had a driveway, but they were detached, technically single family homes. These behind me are all on larger lots, so these are the bigger ones in the area. There's going to be about 62 total homes here. This entire community, all said and done, is going to have about 350, so this will make up 62 of them. You do the math, what is that, about 20%? Now a little bit about this community. One thing I think is super cool, Ontario is building their Ontario Grand Park, which is going to be a 3.5-mile park, complete with farmers market, walking trails, amphitheater. It's going to be super cool, super impressive. This is literally right across the street from there. Now inside this actual community, you have access to pool, spa, tot lots, parks, barbecue area, all that fun stuff. So your HOA actually goes somewhere in here. And then you're also just minutes from Ontario Mills, Victoria Gardens, the airport. So tons of amenities, tons of things to do around here. Schools in here, you're going to have Parkview Elementary, Grace Yockley, I hope I'm saying that right. I'm gonna say Grace Yockley Middle School. Also Colony High School. So definitely a good school district, perfect for people with little ones, looking for stuff to do, looking for amenities, looking for a sense of community, and somewhere they can just really love to live. So now these homes, 2,300 going up to about 2,900. So massive floor plans. You actually do have some lot here. These are about 4,500 square feet. Pricing in here starting at about $859. Builder incentives right now, this time in history. Call me if you're watching after, but incentives starting at about $15,000, $3,000 extra if you are a first responder. So, but like I said, those are changing, you know, weekly, monthly, what have you, especially with kind of the volatile market we have for rates right now. So to get the most up-to-date incentive information, reach out. But before we get into that, my name is Justin King. This video and every other video on this channel is brought to you by my real estate team, the King team at Nest Real Estate, where we bring videos like this to you weekly. Saturdays, we do more of these kind of polished property tours, pros, cons videos. Tuesdays, I'm doing my lives where it's just more nitty gritty real estate. What is a home inspection? What are rates doing, etc. So to make sure you don't miss out on those and to stay informed, hit the subscribe button, also hit the notification bell. Also, if you know anybody that could get some value from this, or maybe in the same position as you, maybe looking at moving out here, seeing what life out here is like, please share it with them. It helps the channel grow. Now, the reason I make these videos is to get you informed. So if you would like to have a one-on-one game planning session, or just to get more information, or maybe even just make an appointment for this community, make sure you have proper representation. Contact information is below, whether you're 2 days away, 2 weeks away, 2 months away, what have you. What I do is help people game plan, so reach out anytime. So now let's get into these homes at Compass Pointe by Solstice. Okay, so in this side of the community, the Solstice side, there's 4 total homes. There's 2 modeled. We're able to get into those. We'll go over the other 2 at the end. This entire community, there's about 12 different models. I do have videos for the other ones up. You can take a look at those. There's a condominium side. There was 4 in there. There's a smaller home section than this with smaller lots. But these here, the first one we're going to look at is Plan 2613. This is a 4 or a 5 bedroom. There's the option to make the downstairs an extra bedroom. 2.5 to 3.5 bath. Those ones are starting about $915,000. I'll flip it around for you here. Okay, so Plan 2613. Again, this is 4 bedrooms with the optional 5th. 2.5 to 3.5 baths. This also has the den and the loft. And again, this one is starting at about $915,000. So there is an option smaller than this one at Plan 2393. And you have the bathroom right off the front. But Plan 2393, that one's starting at about $895. So now back to this one though, you got the main living area there, nice big kitchen, and your dining room. So give you as many angles as possible. In this community, for the area, the lots are actually pretty good size. This is a 4,500 square foot on average lots. Let's see there, you get some backyard. You get some backyard back there. The other ones in this community that I showed, one was a condo, so you obviously not going to get any yard. The other ones, the lots were just under 3,000 square feet, but those were a little more on the affordable side. So this would be your optional bedroom and full bathroom downstairs. You can see here, bedroom 5, optional closet, or just be modeled as a den. So if you did it with just the den, it'd be a hall, linen closet, storage here. But the way they have it modeled, closet, full bath, hall. So super exciting, I know. This would be the downstairs bedroom. And then you have this extra little storage area here where this would be opened up more if you didn't like to do the full bathroom down here. So full bathroom with a shower, sink, and water closet area. So with this option, you do have 2 bathrooms downstairs. So if you didn't go with that route, there would be no bathroom there. It would just be an extra closet, and this would be your storage underneath the stairs. You got a little coat closet option with the additional storage. And then the extra feature there to, you know, maybe put a hat rack, like what they did with the table and vase there. So now moving upstairs. So this opens you right up to the loft. And your laundry is right off to the side here. Right off to the laundry. And here's your loft. And extra linen closet storage. And this would be the primary bedroom. So nice, big, open, super wide. You got the little extra alcove or cutout there for more space, more storage. I'll give you the opposite end as well. So then the primary bathroom, double vanities, mirror. In this one modeled, you actually do have the separate shower and tub. And then of course your walk-in closet. So, and water closet, and then you have even more storage here. And another shot of the primary. So we already got the laundry over there, now heading to the secondary or kids' bedrooms. Got a good size hall here for them too, so it separates everybody. And then double vanity, this would be the kids' bathroom here. And full shower and tub. So now jumping over to bedroom number, this would be bedroom number 3. This one actually has a walk-in closet. So bedroom number 2 upstairs, number 3 total with your walk-in closet. And let's crisscross, let's confuse myself because every time I do this, I forget one. And bedroom number 4, number 3 upstairs. Pretty good size. I think it's comparable to the last one we were just in. Last bedroom, that is. Bedroom number 4, and now finally bedroom number 5. I didn't forget. So decent size, pretty big. And I'll show you from the door access here. Okay, so again, this was plan 2613. This is a 4-bedroom with an optional fifth. That downstairs bedroom would be more of a loft. The downstairs bedroom would be more of a loft, 2.5 to 3.5 baths. So we had 2 bathrooms upstairs, 2.5 downstairs. If you didn't elect to go with that extra bedroom bathroom, that would be more of a pantry or like a linen closet. And this one is currently starting at about $915,000. So, and then taxes in this community were about 1.88 on average Each model is going to have a little bit different tax rate, which is kind of normal. It's not really talked about or advertised much. About 1.88. HOA here was about $199. Next one we're checking out, this is gonna be the last one. Like I said, there's only 2 models, so a little bit shorter tour today. This is plan 2872. This is plan 2872, and this is gonna be the biggest one. I really like the interior of this one, so let me know what you guys think below. So plan 2872, this is a 4-bedroom with an optional 5th, 2.5 to 3 bath. This also has the flex den and the loft. This one is currently starting at $989,000. So one thing I really like on this one is the entry when you first walk in. Opens right into the living area, but definitely feels nice and open. And then right off the front here, you do have this additional den, and this would be your optional 5th bedroom. So pretty good size. It would have double doors there. Makes it easy for moving in, out, get your big furniture, desks, whatever. And this is how it's modeled with a den, powder room, which we'll get into in just a second. If you wanted to make it a 5th bedroom, you'd have a walk-in closet, and then this whole area would be a bathroom. So, but as it's modeled, it does have this powder room with the half bath. So now moving on into the main body of the home. We'll start in the den, living room, family room, whatever you would prefer to call it. That way you get the full scope of this downstairs here because it's massive. 2,872 square feet. And this would be your additional little dining nook if that's what you want to make it. A lot of folks just make it more of their dining room. So that's the den, dining room, nook, and then of course now the kitchen. Lots of counter space. That's a really big island actually. So and then again over here, this is the community with the yards. The other side of it doesn't really have much yard space. The cell, the big draw over here is that yard space. And these are starting for the smallest model, just under $900,000. This particular one though, they're starting at $989,000. So and this would be your living room, or sorry, dining room. Try and give you every possible vantage point. And then there was one in between this and the last one. It was a 2,755 square foot home. That one a little more affordable, starting at about $935,000. So moving upstairs brings you right into the loft. So good sized loft. And then right off to when looking at the front of the house, on the left, you do have the primary bedroom. And this does have 2 closets in it, 2 actual walk-in closets. So plenty of space for your things and knickknacks and accessories. So we'll get into that first closet and then go through the primary bathroom. So closet number 1, definitely a good size. Bigger than the closet I had at a couple of my houses. And the primary bathroom. Dual vanity, lots of counter space. You do have this linen closet as well. And then that'd be the shower. They do have an option to do a bathtub on this one. If you don't do that, you have this extra storage area. And then closet number 2. So definitely a good size. And at the end, we'll go over the 2 homes that are not modeled. But this particular community, like I said, about 62 homes. They're really just getting started on these ones. I think the original community opened up about a month ago. So they're very, very fresh into the process here. So they'll be here a while. It's gonna be 350 homes total. There we go, bedroom number 2. This one actually has a walk-in closet as well. take a look in there. So again, this is plan 2872. And I believe this one had the walk-in closet too. Has this little extra nook, kind of carve out space for both bedrooms. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's a nice way to keep the kids' work separate from, I don't know what you call it, their chill space, their main living space. So, very nice. And then bedroom number 4. And this one has a walk-in closet as well. So everybody has plenty of space here. These are all really good sized rooms. And I would hope so because there's a lot of square footage in here, but walk-in closet also. And the AC is blowing cold. It's about 95 degrees today, so I appreciate the AC. And this will be your laundry room, which is actually really big, and it does have the wash basin in it. And I don't think we hit the bathroom, so we'll hit that. There we go. Double vanities, shower tub combo. Okay, so again, this is plan 2872. There's that loft again. 4-bedroom with an optional 5th, 2.5 bathroom or an optional 3 bathroom, starting at about $989,000. Okay, so those were the 2 modeled versions. There's 2 more that they don't have built yet. So we'll go over those briefly. If you want a private video, contact information is here. If you'd like more information on when they're gonna come out or when you could possibly view them, reach out, I'll get that info for you. And the first one is going to be the smallest in this community and also the most affordable. This is plan 2393. This is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 to 3 bath, also has a den and a loft, but you do have that optional 4th bedroom and optional full 3rd bath, so that half bath would turn into a full bathroom. That one is starting at about $895,000. And the second one that they don't have modeled is going to be plan 2755. That's a 4 to 5 bedroom, 2.5 to 3 bath, 2-car garage. All of them in here have 2-car garages with a flex room, den, and loft. That optional 5th bedroom and 3rd bath would be where the den and the powder room are. So we'll go 2.5 baths to a full 3 bath. And that one is starting at about $935,000. So if you would like more information on those, private tour, some video, definitely reach out. Phone number's right there. As they come available, I can shoot those over to you. If you'd like to see them in person, reach out. That's exactly what I'm here for. Okay, so if you made it to the end here, thank you for hanging in there. To reiterate, this is Solstice at Compass Pointe in the city of Ontario. This community was part of 3 others that are coming by the same builder. These were the bigger ones. The first community was condos starting at about $530,000. The second, smaller lots, decent sized homes. Those homes were on the smaller end. They were about 2,000 square feet up to about 2,500. And this particular community, 4 models, starting at about 2,300, going all the way up to about 2,872. Pricing in here starting around $895. They are offering some incentives. Right now it's about $15,000, $3,000 extra if you're a first responder. 67 total homes in here. They just started. I believe they're still just getting through phase 1. HOA will be $199. Taxes average about 1.88%, which is about the going rate for most new builds these days. And then the schools in here, you're gonna have Parkview Elementary, Grace Yoakley Junior High, and then Colonial High School. So if you'd like to sit down and game plan or just have more questions about these homes or any others, contact information is right here. If you are just in the beginning phases and you want to see what homeownership looks like or just figure out what a path would look like, what the numbers are, what the process is, because I know there is a lot, reach out anytime, days, evenings, nights, weekends. Use me as your resource. I talk to people about real estate all day long. Most people are about 6 months to a year out anyways. So if you do have questions on it, do not hesitate to reach out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Justin King, and I'll catch you on the next one.